In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export or print notes from Notebooklm. If you've ever found yourself needing a hard copy of your notes or want to keep a digital backup on other platforms, this guide is perfect for you. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly copy your crucial information and print or save it as needed. Let's jump right into it. Start by launching Notebooklm. Once the application is up and running, take a moment to navigate through your notes. Browse through and locate the specific note or perhaps an AI-generated summary that you intend to export. Highlight this content carefully, ensuring that every part you need is selected. Be precise with your selection to avoid any missed details or unnecessary extras. After you have highlighted the desired content, the next step is simply to copy it. This is a straightforward process. Right-click on your selection and choose Copy from the context menu, or you can use the handy keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to expedite the process. This copied content is now ready to be moved to another platform. Once the content is copied, you'll want to paste it into a platform where you can further manage or print it, such as Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or even Notepad. Choose the application based on your needs. For instance, Google Docs and Microsoft Word are excellent choices if you need advanced editing or formatting. Alternatively, if you need something quick and simple without formatting, Notepad is a lightweight choice. After opening the preferred application, paste your content by right-clicking and selecting Paste or simply pressing Ctrl+V. Take this opportunity to review your content in the new format and make any necessary adjustments. This is particularly useful if you're using an editing platform like Google Docs or Word, where you might want to change the font, adjust the layout, or add additional notes. Now, if your plan is to print the content, you'll want to initiate the print command. Usually you can do this by pressing Ctrl+P, which brings up the print dialog box. This dialog box allows you to make a variety of printing selections, such as choosing which printer to use, setting the number of copies, and selecting specific pages to print, all according to your personal requirements or the available resources. Double-check all your printer settings before proceeding. Make sure that the correct printer is selected and that your other preferences, like page orientation and print quality, are in line with what you need. Once you're satisfied with these settings, go ahead and click the Print button. Your notes will now be on their way to becoming a tangible resource. You've successfully exported or printed your notes from Notebooklm, whether it's for study purposes, a presentation, or just keeping a hard copy for reference. This method provides you with a flexible and reliable way to handle your digital information. Thanks for watching, and happy note organizing.